Let's stop chasing fake perfection and start embracing authentic living, because real is always better than perfect. Welcome to. Today we're tackling one of the biggest traps of the digital age, the illusion of perfection. Social media has us chasing flawless images, curated feeds, and unattainable standards. But here's the truth. Perfection is fake, exhausting, and unnecessary. In this video, I'll show you how to break free from this cycle and embrace authenticity, both online and offline. Have you ever scrolled through Instagram or TikTok and felt like your life doesn't measure up? The perfect vacations, the spotless homes, the glowing skin, it's everywhere. And it's easy to feel like you're falling short. But what you're comparing yourself to isn't real. It's a filtered version of reality designed to look flawless. This obsession with perfection fuels anxiety, lowers self-worth, and keeps us stuck in a cycle of comparison. Imagine living a life where you no longer feel pressured to compete with curated images. A life where your self-worth isn't tied to likes or comments. A life where authenticity is your superpower. Stick around, because I'm going to share actionable steps to help you ditch fake perfection and embrace realness. Did you know that studies show people who embrace authenticity report higher levels of happiness and mental health? By the end of this video, you'll learn how authenticity can transform your digital habits and your life. The first step is understanding that perfection online is an illusion. Filters, editing apps, and staged photos create a false reality that no one can fully live up to, not even influencers. You don't need more followers or likes to feel worthy. You need fewer filters on your life itself. Instead of fearing what you're missing online, embrace JOMO, the joy of missing out. Take time for offline experiences that bring you genuine happiness. A walk in nature, a heartfelt conversation, or simply enjoying the present moment. Create healthy boundaries with technology. Limit your screen time, unfollow accounts that make you feel inadequate, and curate your feed with content that inspires authenticity and mindful tech use. Here's something shocking. The people who project perfect lives online often feel the least fulfilled in real life. Why? Because they're trapped by their own curated image. Ask yourself, what truly matters to me? Journaling or mindful meditation can help you reconnect with your values and shift your focus from external validation to internal fulfillment. Don't be afraid to show up as your true self online or offline. Whether it's sharing unfiltered moments or simply living authentically without worrying about how it looks on social media. Remember that statistic? People who embrace authenticity are happier and healthier, and you can be one of them by letting go of fake perfection today. If this message resonates with you, take action today. Unfollow one account that makes you feel less than enough, and replace it with one that inspires authenticity and mindful digital balance. Stay mindful, stay balanced, because life happens offline too.